two, one.
Okay, after this, we are saying, after this method, we are saying that insert the username inside the div with the class name center. So we have a center, we have a class over here with the name center, and we are inserting here. Okay, so after this, we are saying make a variable equals to a class that we have here in our app.js. So if we see this class scene manager has different static methods for creating, for looping, for creating scenes and go to scenes. Okay. So we are saying that make all whole of this class equals to that variable, and after this, making initializing the scene manager class into a variable, we are able to call these methods inside this class. So we are calling a method uh, with this variable name scene manager scenes manager dot create. So because we know that we have all the methods available in this variable after making equals to this class. So we are calling this create method with different arguments. So now we have to see what arguments this method is taking. Okay, so if we go to this method, scenes manager, it's building this. Yeah, if we see the create method that it is taking two parameters. One is width and the other is height. And after this, it is we are checking if the scene manager have a property of render, then a return if it means that if we are already running a game, then return the object that we have already here. So if we are running it first time, okay, or if we are running from its start, then it will be false. Otherwise, we have this render object. So at the first time, if we are creating our scene map, if we are creating our scene from this method, then it will always be false. So it will neglect this line and come after this if condition over here, and it sets a property of default width equals to the width that we have provided over here, and the default height with the height variable that or the parameter we are passing over here, and we are setting a scenes manager dot render property. Scenes manager, we are creating, like, uh, we have to create a scene or the a window object for running our game. So we are saying that scenes manager should possess this property equals to the new instance we are using is from pixie.win.js class. Okay, we have this class over here, and this is our pixie.win.js that we have already initialized here. Okay, or we are using inside this pixie.windows.js a library over in our index.html. Okay, so we over here we are saying that you have to make this object equals to the renderer view, in which we are sending width and height. The width and the height of the scene or the window object on which we have to run the game. So this is auto detector renderer is the method of the pixie.win.js inside our pixie.win.js file. So if we search this method, we will find this method over here. Okay, they are initializing this method. They have a library and there are lots of thing inside this and doing lots of thing dynamically. So uh, we are just creating this scene from this method that is available in our Pixie object. So after creating this a new scene, or after setting up the property of renderer, we are saying that the get the object by ID, which is available in our document. Okay, the document is the this is our document. Okay, so everything in our browser is a document or the window object, document object or the window object. Okay, so we are saying that the ID with the renderer that we have in our document object here, if you see that we have a renderer ID with a div. Okay, we are saying you have to append a child over here inside this div. Okay, so it will what it will do, it will grab this object and append a child. This is jQuery method. Okay, so we are saying you have to append the child with the data we are passing to it. Okay, so we are saying that see that you have to pass scene manager dot renderer dot view to this method and append all of the things that are available in this method or this property and append this or add the object of the HTML inside that. Okay, so it will append all the scenes that we have created already over here, and it actually takes the view property and insert that the result of this view property inside this renderer ID or the div with the ID of renderer. Then we are calling a request animation frame method that is also from pixie.js, and we are sending the scene manager dot loop method result and this request animation frame method. Okay, so when this comes over here, it calls this loop method that we have available in scenes manager, and it will run this code. Yeah, it will loop through our object or the data according to this condition that if scene manager don't have, you know, we are checking that scene manager dot current scene is false or scene manager dot current scene is paused. Okay, if this condition is true, then just return without any data. Otherwise, if it is not true, if this condition fails, then you have to come over here and you have to run the current scene dot update method. So if you see, we have a current scene method also available here in scene manager class, and it will see that if we have if there is an available scene or not. Okay, with an ID, so it is creating different ID. If we are passing some ID over here, then it will check if ID is there. Okay, um, If it is not there, then it will